Hey, Air Marvel 1218 back, and this is week 8 of fostering kittens, I believe. Charlie and Iceman are fighting right now. They're just playing around. Oh, Iceman just started the fight. Here are 3 of them here. Wait, no, 4. Here's Goose. Jester and Maverick, and then here's of course Little Viper. They already got fixed on Monday, and they've got little incision marks. But overall, they're doing good. As you can see, they're purring. Especially little Jester here. They're snug. They're a bunch of snuggle bugs. They're sweet kittens too, as you already know. Here's Charlie. Oh! Iceman's at it again. Look at these 2 playing around. Cosmo and Midnight are doing better, of course, with them. Cosmo's still kind of mean to the kittens, but overall they're doing good. And I got finals, so I gotta head out because I've got some studying to do. Stay tuned for more videos and content every day. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. And subscribe for more content every day. And peace out.